Now that I have your attention, woohoo! Did you see that shit? I was skipping. That thing is dead set on the water, man. Spinny donuts. So I can imagine you can hear the wind howling. Not the best time to take out the Veles, but it did good. Only flipped once. Let's see how the temps are. Looks like I got water moving through both of my blast pickups. Oh, bitch. My motor's alright. My Yessie's alright. The batteries are a little scared. Not really, that cat pack's doing good, man. Wow. Wow, everything's good temps. And it's dry. Fuck yeah. Veles to the rescue once again for the self-riding fucking sonic wave. Okay, we're gonna try the old monster out. This isn't exactly cat weather. So the Veles performed well. Only thing that was hot was the wires going to the battery. Nice and stable. Love this boat. Redesigned the water pickup, the glass pickup there. Because one of my buddies told me it's ugly. I think the new one looks just pretty sexy. And there's my modified rudder. Alright. So I've said it before and I'll say it again about this boat here, man. I love it. The only drawback I had was the tippiness at low speeds, and getting batteries in and out of the thing is a nightmare. But I got a fix for that. So stay tuned, y'all. Oh yeah, here's the Veles gutted right now. I'm lowering the battery trays in it. And you can slap it up here. And it'll stay, you know. Ding, 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 ding. Yeah, it might even be a little high on both of them. Not bad. Look here. Looks like that inside's high, right where it's showing the white. Check on the step. It's looking pretty crisp. This one. Looking good. Looks good side to side on all of them, you know? So it looks like we're gonna need to lose a little material. Wait a second. Looks like we're gonna have to lose a little material here or add some everywhere else. And it's really not that much. We're talking about that much. I mean, it's, yeah. This side, not so much. Real contact, gap, contact. When I checked it on the table, it looked like this side was high. Other than that, looks pretty good. So I'm checking the ride pads on the Veles. And then it's making good flat contact on all this side, on all three. Here's the inside of the Veles. The batteries tray is removed. And there's one of the trays. I'm gonna clean up the sides, all that shit off, and then put it back in. Instead of it sitting up flush there, it's gonna be dropped down. Just like before, I could barely squeeze a 5,000 moth cell in here. Now it drops in, sits in lower, be tight. Stay tuned. Holy crap. You see that torpedoed?